Tatlong penalty sa pag-transfer ng titulo. At kung paano mo ito ay iwasan. Number 1 is delayed capital gains tax. Capital gains tax po ay kailangan bayaran within 30 days after ng notarization ng inyong deed of absolute sale. Kung sa loob ng 30 days ay hindi ka pa nakakapagbayad ng iyong capital gains tax, karoon ka ng 25% surcharge and 12% interest per annum plus compromised penalty pa. Number 2, delayed payment ng documentary stamp tax. Kailangan itong bayaran on or before 5th day of the next month. Halimbawa, ngayong araw is January 31 and ngayong araw ay nagpanotary ka na ng yung deed of sale. Kailangan on or before February 5 ay mabayaran mo na yung documentary stamp tax. Hindi mo ito nabayaran, magkakaroon ka ulit ng 25% surcharge and 12% interest per annum. Pangatlo is yung delayed transfer tax fee. So, kailangan nyo itong mabayaran within 60 days